Hey, so today we're going to be unboxing this box from Rogue Magnetics. I like any type of box, and I like the packaging. It says the Gator 2600. The hunt is on at Rogue Magnetics on mission to create life. Yeah. Heavy in. Polish. Wait, double-sided what? Oh, so you can throw it like this or like this? Thread locker is an adhesive that secures your magnet. Apply 2 to 3 drops to the eye bolt threads.
One. To the washer.
Damn. Say nah. Get your magnet from Rogue Magnetics. If y'all don't want to do magnet fishing, get a rope because this rope is good quality. You probably use this for camping.